Welcome to my honest review of ExtractPDF, an online tool designed to help you extract text, images, and metadata from PDF files with ease. When you first visit the website, you'll notice its minimalist interface, which makes the process simple and straightforward. To get started, you simply upload your PDF file using the Choose File button or drag and drop your file into the designated area. There's no need to sign up or provide any personal information, which is convenient if you value privacy. Once your file is uploaded, ExtractPDF quickly processes it and presents you with separate tabs for text, images, and metadata. The text extraction is fairly accurate for straightforward documents, but can struggle with heavily formatted or complex PDFs, especially those containing tables or handwritten content. The extracted text is available for download or direct copying, which is handy if you're looking to repurpose content. Images are extracted individually and are presented in a gallery format, allowing you to download each image separately. The quality of the extracted images is generally good, but again, complex PDFs with embedded graphics may not yield perfect results. Metadata extraction works well for basic details, but it's not a feature you'll use often unless you specifically need document properties or technical details. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One of the standout features of ExtractPDF is its simplicity. The tool is free to use, which is a huge plus. However, it does have some limitations. It struggles with scanned PDFs and does not offer OCR functionality, meaning it's not suitable for extracting text from images within PDFs. Additionally, the lack of batch processing can be inconvenient if you need to work with multiple files. In terms of usability, the tool is very user-friendly, but it lacks advanced features that competitors often offer, such as document editing or integration with cloud storage. While ExtractPDF works well for basic extraction tasks, its usefulness is limited if you require high-precision results or need to process complex documents. Overall, ExtractPDF is a decent tool for basic extraction needs. It's fast, straightforward, and completely free, which is great for occasional use. However, if you need more advanced features or better accuracy for complex files, you may need to consider alternative tools. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.